11th math student. Today I am going to start your next chapter, chapter 7, permutation and combination. First you have to know what is the meaning of permutation. The word meaning is collecting of number of things and arranging them in order. In a order. First collecting, then arranging them. Means if there are n things and n distinct things, means all things are different. We take all things at a time and arranging them in a order. Then in how many ways you can arrange? So permutation means arrangement in different orders. Okay. For example, if there are three things numbered 1, 2, 3, taking all three at a time and arranging them, in how many ways you can arrange? So first type of arrange, starting with 1, interchanging 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 2. There are two types of arrangement when you start with 1. Starting with 2, so 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3, 1. Starting with 3, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. So there are 6 types of arrangements. Means in how many? Means here you can say that if there are 3 digits, you can take all 3 digits at a time. Then how many numbers can be formed? So you can form 6 types of number, 3-digit number. Or if you take 2 things at a time or 2 digits at a time, then how many 2-digit numbers can be formed? You can see here, taking 1 and 2 to 1, 2 and 2, 1. When you take 1, 3 to 1, 3 and 3, 1. When you take 2, 3 to 2, 3 and 3, 2. Means you can form 6 types 2-digit numbers. So by formula, if there are n distinct things, taking some things, some means that is all things at a time, and when you arrange them in different order, to number of permutation or number of arrangement is symbolically written as n, p, r. R is bottom suffix, n is top suffix, p for stand for permutation. So n, p, r, you can write p within bracket n, comma r. Remember here, and its expanded form n, p, r is factorial n. This angle type sign is known as factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Means here this minus this. And remember here r is less than or equal to n, not greater than n. Okay. So this symbol is r, also you can write this, is known as factorial, means you will find the factor. So n, p, n means taking all n things at a time and arranging them. So factorial n upon this minus this means n minus n. In denominator you get here factorial 0, and remember here the value of factorial 0 is 1, that is factorial n. Okay. So here you will remember factorial 0 is 1, factorial 1 is 1, factorial 2 when you find the factor 2 into 1, factorial 3, 3, 2, 1. 1 less you get. n, p, n, that is factorial n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on, 3, 2, 1. What is the meaning of this thing? n, p, n here. So here n, p, n means there are n things, you have to take all things at a time and arranging them in n place. So for first place there are n things, you can put one of them, means there is n option to fill up first place. Into for second place, when you put one of them things in first place, option is n, here you will multiply option, but you will put one things at a time in first place. For second place you will have one less things, means n minus 1 things. So for second place you have n minus 1 options, but you will put one things in this place, second place. Then for third place you will have one less things, means n minus 2 things. There will be n minus 2 option and so on. For last place you will have one thing, means for last place there will be one option to fill up last place. For second last place there will be two things, means two option. For third from last there will be three things, means three option. So this is the expanded form of factorial, and you will remember here. And also factorial of any negative number is not defined. Okay. Now see one example. Find the number of permutation or number of arrangement with the given things A, B, C. Taking all three things at a time, in how many ways you can arrange? Or in other words, you can say that if you have three different books, in how many ways you can arrange in a almanac. So first type arrangement is starting with A, B, C, you can interchange B and C. So A starting with A, B, C and A, C, B. When you start with B, to B, A, C, B, C, A. When you start with C, C, A, B and C, B, A. Okay. You see next example. By formula method, how can you do? Find the two-digit number from the given digit 1, 2, 3. So there are three given digits. Taking for two-digit number, taking two digit at a time. Any two you can write. So you will write here in formula NPR to 3P2. 3P2 by NPR you can solve it. Factorial n means factorial 3 upon n factorial n minus r. N minus r means 3 minus 2. So solving here factorial 3 upon in denominator will be factorial 1, and that is 1. So here simply 3P2 is factorial 3, and solving this factorial 3, so 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Okay. One more method is very simple method, filling method, place filling method. So what is the place filling method? See here, there are three things, 1, 2, 3. You have to form two-digit number. Each two-digit number will occupy two places. So you will mark here two square circle. Okay. Now filling the place with given digit 1, 2, 3. So look here. For first place you have three digit 1, 2, 3. You can put one of them things in first place. You can start from 1 or from 2 or from 3. Means to fill up first place there are three digit, means three options. Here you will multiply options. So to fill up first place there are three options. When you put one of them thing in first place, then for next means second place you have only two digit, any two digit. So for second place you will have two options. So therefore number of permutation or number of two-digit number 3 into 2, that is 6. So in this way you can use place filling method. Okay.